Hello dear viewers, welcome back. Today in this video we are going to solve this problem. Divide 16 into two parts in such a way that twice the square of the greater part is 164 more than the square of the smaller part. Here we have to divide 16 into two parts, and out of these two parts one part is greater, another part is smaller. And 2 times of the square of the greater part is equal to the sum of 164 and the square of the smaller part. Now, without wasting time, let us start the solution. Here, the given number is 16, and we have to divide 16 into two parts. Let us divide this number into two parts, and one part is x, and another part is 16 minus x. So, the sum of these two parts is equal to 16. And let us suppose that this part is greater than this part. And when this part is greater than this part, obviously the value of x must be greater than half of this 16. And we know the half of 16 is 8. So the value of x must be greater than 8. And in this case only this part is smaller than this part. Now according to the question, 2 times of the square of this part, that is 2 into x square. 2 into x square is equal to square of this smaller part, 16 minus x whole square. 16 minus x whole square plus 164. Now this is the equation established by the given condition. When 16 is divided into two parts, then this equation is established under the given condition. And now we have to solve this equation to get the value of x. Now in the next line it becomes 2x square, and we have to open 16 minus x whole square, which is equal to 256 plus x square minus 2 into 16 into x plus 164 is there. I have expanded this into this using this formula, that is a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So 16 minus x whole square is equal to 256, which is the square of 16 plus x square minus 2 into 16 into x. Now in the next line we can bring x square to the left hand side. So this gives 2x square minus x square, and we have to bring this also to the left hand side, that is 2 into 16 into x, which is equal to 32x, and this is equal to the sum of these two, 256 and 164. And in the next line, 2x square minus x square is x square plus 32x is there, and this is equal to the sum of 256 and 164 is 6 plus 4 is 10, 0, 11, 12, 2, 3, 4, 420. The sum of these two numbers in the right hand side is 420. And now we can continue, and we can see that it is a quadratic equation in x. So it has two roots. That means this will give two values of x. Now we can continue here, and this is equal to x square plus 32x is equal to 420. X square plus 32x is equal to 420. And now we can modify the left hand side. We can write this as x square plus, for 32x we can write 2 into 16 into x, and in the right hand side there is 420. Now we have to try to write the left hand side in the form of a plus b whole square. X square is there, 2 into 16 into x is there, so obviously we have to write here 16 square. We are adding 16 square on both sides, and this way. Now the left hand side is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is equal to a plus b whole square, that is x plus 16 whole square. and in the right hand side it is equal to 420 plus 256, and the sum of 420 and 256 is 676. The sum is 676, and the left hand side is x plus 16 whole square. And in the next line we can remove the power 2 from the left hand side, and this goes to the right hand side as square root. So the right hand side becomes under root 676, and we know 676 is equal to 26 into 26, and the square root of 676 is plus or minus 26. Now from this we get x is equal to, we are taking plus 16 to the right hand side, and this gives x is equal to plus or minus 26, plus minus 26 minus 16, and this implies that either x is equal to, this gives either x is equal to, we are considering plus 26 for this, 26 minus 16, or we are considering negative value of 26, that is x is equal to minus 26 minus 16, and this gives x is equal to minus 42. And here we get x is equal to 10. Since we have divided 16 into two parts, x and 16 minus x, but here the value of x cannot be negative, so this value of x is not acceptable, so this is cancelled. So the another value of x is 10. So we have divided 16 into two parts, and the first part is 10, obviously. Then obviously the second part is 16 minus 10, that is 6. That is, the smaller part is 6. Here we have divided 16 into two parts, 10 and 6. Here we can see that the answer is 10, which is the greater part, and obviously 10 is here greater than the half of 16, that is greater than 8, and the smaller part is 6, and this is the solution to this problem. So guys, this much for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like my videos, don't forget to like, share, and also to drop your valuable comments in the comment section. Bye bye, take care.